Every day is another chance to change your life. Let self-introspect answer yourself for the top 10 questions. How important is our existence? How do I spend my whole day? Satisfied with what I have or looking for more and more? Do I need a planned life or an unplanned life? Prefer to love or to be loved? When did I last push the boundaries of my comfort zone? Which is worse, failing or never trying? Does it really matter what others think about me? What will be my response for success and failure? Same or different? What's that one thing which satisfies your life?